Hello students, now we will see question number 4 of exercise 3.1. Let us see the question. Examine the table. Now each figure is divided into triangles and the sum of the angles deduced from that. Now as you can see, polygons are given to us. All are made up of straight line segments. So these all are different type of polygons. First figure is a triangle. Now in a triangle there are total 3 sides and 3 angles. So how many sides are there? 3. So what will be the angle sum? The total of 3 angle of a triangle will be 180 degree. We have already seen angle sum property of a triangle. So angle sum property of a triangle is the total is 180 degree. So for triangle it is easy. The total is 180. Angle sum of a triangle is 180. Now next polygon is having how many sides? 1, 2, 3 and 4 sides. There are total 4 sides of this polygon. Now this polygon is divided into 2 triangles. So there are total 2 triangles. So what will be the total of all the angles of this polygon? So it will be 2 times 180. Why? Because in the figure there are 2 triangles. You can see this is first part of triangle and this is second triangle. So there are total 2 triangles. So the angle sum of all the interior angle of this polygon will be 2 into 180. Right? एक triangle का 180 होगा. So for 2 triangle 2 into 180. Or another way to find out is 4 minus 2. Number of side is 4. So whatever number of side is there, from there you will do minus 2 and then multiply by 180 and you will get your answer. Now third polygon is having 5 sides. Total number of sides are 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. There are total 5 sides and it is divided into 3 triangles. This is first triangle, this is second triangle and this is third triangle. So total there are 1, 2 and 3 triangle. So the angle sum of this polygon will be 3 times 180 or 3 multiplied by 180 because there are 3 triangles and for one triangle the angle is 180. Total of all angle is 180. So there are 3 triangles. So 3 into 180. Or another way is number of sides minus 2 into 180. How many sides are there in this figure? 5 sides are there. So we have to do 5 minus 2 into 180. Jitne bhi sides hai, whatever number of sides are given, from that you have to do minus 2 and then multiply by 180 and you will get the total angle sum of this figure. Now moving ahead to the fourth figure, here there are total 6 sides. You can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. There are total 6 sides and this figure, if we cut it into triangles, we will get total 1, 2, 3 and 4 triangles. So there are total 4 triangles in this figure. So the angle sum of this figure, total angle sum will be 4 times 180, 4 into 180, or number of sides minus 2 into 180. So number of sides are 6. So 6 minus 2 into 180. So this way you can find out the total angle of all the interior angle. You can find out the total angle sum. Now let us come to the question. What can you say about the angle sum of a convex polygon with number of sides 7? If there are 7 sides, then what will be the angle sum? Okay, total angle sum will be how much? So let us try to solve it. Now, according to this formula that is deduced from the figure, number of sides minus 2 into 180. So that same we will apply. This 7 is number of sides. Number of side is given to us. So the polygon, convex polygon is having 7 sides. So how you will find the angle sum of that polygon? The polygon having 7 sides. So number of sides, we will take number of sides n minus 2 into 180. We will apply this formula. This formula is for finding the total of all interior angle of any polygon, convex polygon. So now n means number of sides and number of side is given to us, that is 7. So we will write here 7. So 7 minus 2 into 180. So 7 minus 2 will be 5. So 5 into 180. So if you draw a convex polygon of 7 sides, you can cut it into 5 triangles. Like in this figure we have got 2 triangle, 3 triangle, 4 triangle. Same way, if you draw polygon of 7 sides, in that 5 triangles is possible. You can cut it into 5 triangles. So 5 into 180. So now we will multiply 180 by 5. So 180 multiplied by 5. So 5 zeros are 0, 5 8s are 40, 0 carry up 4, 5 ones are 5 plus 4 is 9. So 900. So what will be the total of all the angles of a 7-sided convex polygon? It will be 900 degree. So this is our answer of first one. Now coming here, next is 8. So if number of sides are given to you as 8, then what will be the angle sum of that polygon? So that again we need to find out. Same formula we will use, n minus 2 into 180. Number of sides minus 2 and that multiply by 180. So what is our n? This value we have to keep, which is given in the question. So 8 minus 2 into 180. So 8 minus 2 will be 6. So 6 into 180. Now we have to multiply this. So 180 into 6. 6 zeros are 0, 6 8s are 48, 8 carry up 4. Now 6 ones are 6 plus 4 is 10. So 1080 degree. So the polygon having 8 sides, what will be the angle sum of that polygon? It will be 1080. Now coming to third question, here number of side is given to us as 10. So again n minus 2 into 180. So that will be 10 minus 2 into 180. So 10 minus 2 will be 8 and 8 into 180. So now we have to multiply 180 into 8. So 8 zeros are 0, 8 8s are 64, carry up 6, 8 ones are 8, 8 and 6 14. So our answer is 1440 degree. So a convex polygon having 10 sides will have total angle sum as 1440 degree, 1440 degree. Now last one is given n. N means any number of sides. So for any number of sides, n is given and the value of n is not given. So n means any number of side. If it is given, then how we can find out the total of angle? It will be n minus 2 into 180. So this is our formula for finding sum of all interior angles of polygon. So this is our formula, n minus 2 into 180. This formula is for finding sum of all interior angles of a polygon. Hope you understood question number 4.